You need to keep your mouth out of big people's story, young lady.
Wow. Wow!
I offered your father to stay home for many, many times.
Wait. What's going on? Why isn't Daddy staying over?
Wait. Wait. She doesn't know?
Well, she doesn't know everything as yet. I was waiting.
This is ridiculous! And it's so like the two of you.
What is she talking about?
That you treat this girl like she's made of some damn glass. Like she'll break if she knows about the dark secrets of this family. She crumbles every time the wind blows. Maybe if you weren't so damn weak, I wouldn't have to bear the burden of the darkness in this family. Your man went and get another woman pregnant. Everybody's life must be on hold. 'Cause why? 'Cause Victoria is sad. 'Cause Victoria is so sad that the whole world must stop. You know what's funny? They protected you your entire childhood and left me to the dogs.
Sorry, you know that.
Stop! You know it is true. You knew everything that she was doing, but not all along.
Zara, we loved you. I mean, I may not have been perfect, but regardless of what happened, we loved you. I might not have been perfect. Regardless of what happened, I am still your mother.
You are no mother of mine. How you haven't gone to see your God is beyond me.
Zara, that's enough.
You walk around this place and you spew your venom? You're so angry all the time, Zara. Who the hell are you angry with? Huh? I'm so sick. I'm so tired of you blaming this family for everything that goes wrong with you. Why can't you just accept that you are just rotten? You are rotten on the
Why you just so sorry?
Zara, there's no way to handle it.
Victoria, do you know that Shirley and Dad are getting a divorce?
What?
Wait. That's not the best part. Do you know that Sister Shirley and Pastor had a romantic relationship? And I was forced to keep that relationship a secret for years?
Zara,
Isn't that right,
that's
Daddy?
enough.
Is it, Daddy? Victoria, do you know that your father isn't your father?
Daddy? Mommy?
Shirley!
Mommy?
Shirley!
Mommy! The phone, Sarah! Call the ambulance!
Zara, the phone!
Mommy! The phone, Sarah!
Zara, get the phone! Shirley!
Oh, please!
Shirley! 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 Zara, hurry up! Shirley!